Welcome back to another video of how to use basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to change language in Unstoppable Crypto Wallet. First, launch the Unstoppable Crypto Wallet application on your device. Now log in using your credential. After that, find the settings icon, which is at the bottom right corner of your screen. Tap on the settings icon and look for the option labeled language. Tap on it to access the language option. A list of available languages will appear. Scroll through the list and select the preferred language. After selecting your desired language, you will be directed to the settings. Now, make sure that all your language has been changed. Some changes may require you to restart the application to take effect. Close and reopen the application from here. Now you can see that you have successfully changed the language in Unstoppable Crypto Wallet. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.